You want makeup, kuya?
No.
Say, Chami. Hi, guys.
Hi. We are going to the Matariki concert in my school.
Yeah, what are you gonna do in the school?
I'm gonna go dance and stage.
Oh, wow.
With all the Filipino dance, the Filipino group, and there's even Chinese group, there's Vietnamese group, there is even Indian group, there's Kapahaka group, and there's so much groups.
Okay.
I think I just forgot. And there's Pacifica one. And I'm so excited to go to the Matariki concert.
That's great. So guys, time check, mag-aalas 5 na. Merong program sa school ni na Chami. Actually, nag-undertime ako. Nagpaalam akong 3 o'clock. Alis na ako para maka-attend ako ng event ni na Chami. Because Chami is gonna dance today at the school.
Little Chua is dancing today at the school.
Cham?
Yeah.
You're gonna dance today at the school.
Little Chami. Little Chami will dance at school. Little Chami will dance.
Do you know what the program looks like?
How?
What is the program for today?
I don't know. I mean,
Is there haka?
There's so much but the Kapahaka, I need to tell you something. There's no music for Kapahaka. Kapahaka's the one who sings it and stamps so much.
Oh.
And I saw Kapahaka in the dress rehearsal. Dress rehearsal, it looks like a practice day for Matariki concert.
So, pakita namin sa inyo guys. Kukuha na namin sila ng video mamaya. Hopefully, merong haka. And then, kukunan ko rin ng video si Chami habang nagpa-perform. Sama namin kayo sa event. See you guys!
Hi! I am the blackest!
Good morning guys! Today is Matariki Day. It's holiday here in New Zealand. Birthday pala ng kapatid ko. So kailangan ko sa Kate Spade, sa Brita Mart. Ipapawarranty ko siya kasi nagkaroon siya ng wrinkle sa likuran ng leather, likuran ng bag. Yung leather mismo, nag-wrinkle siya for some reason. Ayan, hindi ko alam kung bakit. And hindi naman siya nakasiksik na place kasi nakapatong lang naman siya. So yun, hindi ko alam kung bakit nag-wrinkle siya kasi lahat naman ng bags ko hindi naman nagkakaroon ng ganon. Hindi ko alam, siguro dahil ganito yung leather. So nakashot ko yung handler, yung sales agent. Ang sabi niya was first time daw na ma-encounter nila yung ganitong issue dito sa bag na to, dito sa model ng bag na to. Ang pangalan pala niya, ang model niya is Top Handle. So yun, ang sabi niya, punta na lang daw ako so that ibalitan nila ng bago yung bag.
And then we are outside right now, walking to our home. And the bad news is that, you know, like earlier, we were trying to get to an elevator in a mall, but then there was no way to get out.
The elevator?
The elevator didn't work, so then
It's called Galleria. This is where you can find the nicest brands here. Designer brands.
Mom.
In Aklan. There is. Yeah, we can go inside. Chami, you need to hold daddy.
Tommy, don't step. It's yellow leg. Don't step on that.
Step on.
But it says that press the button and wait for the yellow tire.
Yeah, behind the yellow. Where does it say?
Behind yellow.
Where does it say that? It was behind the yellow tire. Oh, Lucas. Yellow tires.
Come on.
We'll let you never go before.
Hold.
Nakanta ka yun? Kayle?
I'm gonna go there. Haha.
Ay, na-rin souvenir, oh.
Shami.
What happened earlier? We just started to go there.
Alright.
Then we saw then we tried the elevator and the elevator didn't work. But then our car was stuck there because there was no way to come up.
What are you doing?
Even we went out without our car, but the good news is that we will get it back. Yeah, and that's it for the wall question. Even let's do some riddles. Okay.
That's where you're supposed to head.
Okay, the riddles is it's okay. Just watch us little. So mom, it's something that keeps growing but never stops growing. What is it?
I don't know.
It's age.
I think what Chami was trying to say is that we found a way to reserve a parking here in Auckland CBD because, you know guys, if you're gonna bring a car to head here in CBD, it's challenging to find the parking. So Daddy found an app where you can book a parking before you travel to CBD. Dad, how do you call the app, mobile app? Parkable. So it's called Parkable. And then we were able to get inside the building. However, the problem was we didn't know how to head to, I mean, we know how to, you know, like to head towards the ground floor, but the problem is the elevator seems to not working. And then we had to call the customer service for the Parkable, and then it took them a long time, and even then they were not able to figure out that actually because it's a holiday, you know, like no one's really working there today, so no one's gonna operate it. So we just have to walk towards the entrance of the cars, not by using the elevators. So Lucas and Chami and I was worried also, like how are we able to go out of the building, you know. So of course, apart from bringing the car with you, to go outside the building, but then it already costed you the amount of full day parking. We paid only around, how much was it, Dad? It's $14. That's until 5:30 in the afternoon. So Chami and Lucas were so worried that we were, you know, like we will not be able to get back the car. And yeah, but it's alright, diba Cham? We'll be able to get it back naman.
Yeah, by the app.
We have to enter the car entrance. Yeah?
Car entrance?
Yeah. Okay.
What's a car entrance though? What's a car entrance
A
though?
car entrance is like the one over there beside the gate.
The gate, the big gate.
Oh, like our house? And there is a white gate in our house.
Look at the streets, guys.
Whoa.
It's almost empty.
Empty.
Maybe because it's still early? Is it early or no? It's not early. It's not early.
I thought it was early.
So did you enjoy lunch?
Yeah, I really enjoyed lunch.
It's Korean food, right?
I don't know that.
Yeah, it's Korean food.
I thought it was Japanese food.
It's not. It's Korean food, but it's kind of pricey.
And even I had in the chocolate.
Yeah.
Milkshake was eating. And the chocolate milkshake was super yummy.
Yeah. So guys, galing na kami kanina. Dumiretso kami kanina sa Kate Spade. So yung nakausap kong sales agent, pinalitan naman niya ng brand new yung bag. So ito, suot ko na ulit siya. So okay na siya. So, yun. Actually, kaninang umaga, malis kami ng bahay around 10. Nagpunta kami ng Costco muna. Tapos, we were supposed to eat lunch dun sa mall na malapit doon. North Mall? Northwest Mall. So, kaso nung nakausap ko yung agent kasi, ang sabi niya, pwede ko naman daw dalhin na anytime yung bag. And so, since gamit ko na naman yung bag today, so dumiretso na kami doon. Instead na kumain kami doon sa Northwest Mall. Kuya, stay here. Come on, hurry up.
Hurry up. Mommy's dad was
Tell them about the bag story.
And so the last time Mommy bought it, my mom bought me a bag, and she liked it beside the other bags, and she bought it. Then something she noticed a crack, maybe not like that. There was it was broken, and then she went to the shop, to the spade shop, to the shop named Spade again, to buy some to replace
I'm so tired.
the same exact bag.
We'll show them where the entrance is. That's the entrance, guys.
You wait. We'll say, you have to say the magic word.
So there's a
Open sesame.
So apparently you have to open the gate from your mobile application. So you have to tap that icon that says open. So it will let you enter the gate. That's how it works, because no one is here today and everyone is on a holiday. So ito na yung parking, guys. Almost empty. Yeah, nag-iisa dun sa dulo yung kotse namin.
Hello, Lausamoa, Lausamoa,
See, guys, automatic siyang nag-open or nag-press ka rin, Dad?
No.
Hello.
There's a sensor.
So it's a sensor.
Turn it
The
up.
street is almost empty, guys. Ang cute naman ng simbahan, oh. Oh. It says
Jubilee.
St. Patrick's Cathedral. So I guess it's Catholic Church. Next time we're gonna go there. They said that when you first enter a church, then you can make a wish and your wish will
Use
be
the right
granted.
lane to turn left onto Hobson Street.
Oh, guys, alam niyo ba yung mga plate numbers dito?
Oh, wait, I wanna tell
Usually
you.
special plate numbers sila.
Mom, I want-
So, dude, I'm not
Mommy,
sure
I want
kung
to tell
may
them
extra
about
bayad
something.
yun.
Mommy,
Yung mga ano, like for example,
I want
itong
to
nasa
tell them
harapan
about
namin,
something.
yung mga plate numbers nila, dude yung pangalan niya.
Okay, so
Nakakatawa yung mga plate numbers nila dito. Although parang customized sila. It works here in New Zealand.
okay, Mom.
Yes, love.
So tomorrow, yesterday was the Meteoric concert,
Yeah.
and the stars
1
were
kilometer.
different
Keep right toward
colors.
Waitakere and Lawrenceville.
I even was on stage.
Oh,
In the
yeah, I
Meteoric concert,
know.
I was dancing something with all the Filipino groups, and we had
Yeah.
some other groups like Chinese and Indian.
Vietnamese.
I like the Indian group because they had
Look at
cool
this.
dresses. And
That's 3D,
and then
Mama.
there was
That's,
Vietnamese group. There was Kapahaka
What's
group.
3D?
And there was
3D,
and there was
three-dimensional.
Kapahaka
Yeah, where?
group. And do you know this girl? She's my friend. Her name is Adya, and she's Indian. And
Oh.
why didn't she like her own dance? It was Indian. They wear the beautiful dress. I wonder why she didn't want to join. She wanted to join Kapahaka.
Okay.
She had to play carefully. That's it. Yeah.
Because Kapahaka is fun.
At least we found a way when we want to make pasyal here in Britomart and we want to bring our car. We can just park somewhere there because it's close to, like to the Britomart train station. We were supposed to use train lang today, so it's offline ang mga trains ngayon. Buses lang ang available kasi naka-holiday rin. Usually ganun pag holiday, sinasarado nila ang mga train station. So, walang biyahe ang mga trains. Puro buses lang.
It's 10 minutes from the break to work.
We're home now.
So, check natin. Makita ko sa inyo yung mga napamili namin kanina sa Costco. How many pieces are this, Kuya? 30.
So excited to vlog, Mommy. Oh,
Polyester made na comforter. Throw. So, the reason is, kaya ako bumili ng ganito kasi yung gamit nilang yung gamit namin ng mga comforter is masyadong malamig. So, I think it's because of the cloth material. So, we need something na made of polyester para may extra warmer sila. Actually, hindi kasi umaabot ang heater sa mga bedrooms. Yung heater namin is nasa living room. Dahil malaki nga tong bahay, hindi sapat, kumbaga hindi aabot yung heater pag naka-on siya. Hindi aabot yung heater sa mga bedrooms. So, actually, yung pinakamalamig dito na bedroom, yung kay Chami. Kasi si Chami, nakadikit siya sa mga plants, yung room niya. And even si Lucas, pero kasi yung bed ni Lucas is medyo malayo siya ng konti. So, may space pa ng konti. Pero si Chami, yung room niya, nakadikit, may dalawang plants na malalaki na nakadikit talaga sa room niya. So, malamig yung room ni Chami. Although si Lucas, nilalamig din talaga siya habang yun, pag madaling araw. Kami rin naman ni Bush actually. Sobrang lamig pag madaling araw. So actually, tatlo sana yung bibilhin namin. Kaya lang, si Lucas ayaw niya nung isang color. Ito yung size for Chami, pang kids size. So, pwede na to kasi ang material niya is fluffy na parang teddy bear or parang robe siya. Robe material. So, talagang warmer siya. So, yun. Ito. Actually, ito yung gusto ko para sa amin. Ito. Kasi gusto ko white talaga. Kaso, wala nang stock. Ito kasi parang nasa $19 yata itong purple. Yung pambata. Pero ito, mas malaki yung size nito. And si Lucas, yung gusto rin niya, kulay white. Kaso, hindi ko gusto yung material niya. Parang mahirap siyang i-wash. And by the way, eto nga pala yung gloves na sinasabi ko sa inyo. How, diba, how elegant. Diba? Ang nice niya. So, very, ano siya, warming. So, may isang pair ako nun. Tignan natin itong bili natin. Hindi naman siya comforter. Warmer. Actually, malaki siya, oh. Sarap tong ano. Wow! This is so nice. Kuya, oh, look at it. It's so nice and warm. May material niya sa loob. Very fluffy. It will actually make it so much warm.
Small.
No, it's like this. It's not, you have to put on this one and then put on your other kumot, your comforter. Super ano siya, super soft and fluffy. So, next time, pag bumalik kami ng Costco next week, pag meron ulit nitong color na to, kukuha kami ng isa pa for me and Butch. So, para isa kay Luke, isa kay Chami, and isa sa amin ni Butch. Isa lang naman kailangan namin ni Butch. So, ano ba bang napamili natin? Chicken breast. Plan kasi namin ni Butch na magluto bukas ng... Anong recipe na yun, Dad? Kentucky Fried Chicken? Country Fried Chicken. Yun yung kasing paborito ni Lucas dun sa isang restaurant na kinakainan namin sa UAE. Texas Fried Chicken ba yung pangalan ng restaurant? At yung hotdog na binili ko. Sana masarap siya kasi guys, talagang hindi masarap ang hotdogs dito. Well, tapos bumili ako ng takoyaki. Chips. Yung brownies nila. Tapos, madami silang ibang tawag dito, ibang variation doon ng brownies. Pero yung meron kami paborito doon yung bilog. Kaya lang, may bagong version ngayon. So, gusto kong i-try siya kung masarap din. Tinapay. Sandamakmak na mayonnaise. Grabe guys, ang mahal na mayonnaise. $20 isang ganyan. Sa Apple. Whatever. Actually, naghahanap ako ng pang ano sana, parang token lang na ibibigay kay Trinity dun sa office mate ko. Kasi, last day niya dapat kahapon, kaso yun, hindi siya nakapunta. Sabi ko, di tayo pwedeng magkape kasi may sipon pa ako. So, sabi niya, babalik na lang daw siya sa Tuesday. Tapos, gusto ko sana siyang bilhan ng gift. Kaya lang, ayun nga, punta sana ka. Naisip ko sa Zara kasi nakasale naman ngayon. Kaya lang, pagod na rin kasi kami kasi 2:30 na. So, umuwi na lang kami after naming magpunta ng CBD kasi tinry ko sa H&M. Tapos, bibilhan ko sana siya ng jacket. Or yung coat. Kaya lang wala akong makita na yung black na plain lang. Tapos, yun. Kasi ano, simple lang din naman kasi siyang manamit. So, naisip ko ayaw niya yung mga matitingkad rin na kulay. So, yun. May nakita ako. Binilhan ko na lang siya ng tawag dito. Ng beanie. So, yun. And then, I ended up buying this for myself. Yan. So, yun lang. It's nice. So, sabi nga nila, hindi pa ba kayo nag-grocery niyan? Kasi daw ang dami na nito. Pero kasi, kaya yan, wala nang Downy, wala nang Listerine, etc. So, kailangan namin mag-grocery. Pero siguro mamayang late afternoon na lang, pahinga muna. Andito kami ngayon sa balcony, guys. So, and it's a sunny day. Hopefully, bukas ng hapon, makapag-park kami. Kape tayo. And brownies. Yun yung nabili namin sa Costco. And as usual, puno na naman itong balcony ng Sampayan. And pakita ko sa inyo yan. Uniform at saka pang office na mga damit. Maghahanap sana kami ng yan naman, ambulansya. So ngayon dapat hindi naman kami mag-CBD. Ang plan was Costco lang. And then heading for lunch. And tentatively magpa-park sana kami. Kasi maganda naman yung panahon ngayon. Hindi uulan. So ayun, kanina nung kukuha na ako ng bag, napansin ko yung bagong bili na bag na Kate Spade. May wrinkle na siya dun sa likuran na part ng leather. So, nag-message ako dun sa sales agent. So, kinunan ko ng photos and video yung bag. And tinatanong niya kung nabasa daw yung bag. Sabi ko hindi naman kasi apart from hindi ko naman talaga siya ginagamit tuwing umuulan, parang 3 or 4 times ko pa lang siyang nagamit kasi nga maliit lang yung bag. Ang kasya lang is isang lip tint, yung wallet, mini wallet, at saka phone. Yun lang ang kasya kasi maliit lang nga siya. So yun, kasi mga pang-office na bag, mga bags ko, malalaki talaga. Hindi ko siya pwedeng pang-opisina, wala akong mailalagay. Sabi ko dun sa sales executive, wala talaga. Hindi siya nabasa. So, sabi ko, since nasa warranty naman siya, pwede ba siyang ipapalit? Kasi it's unacceptable for me because the bag is not cheap. It's a luxury brand, so it means mahal yung bag. Hindi siya acceptable na sira na agad yung bag. Hindi naman siya sira, pero wrinkled na yung leather niya in a span of wala pang 1 month, di ba? Kailan lang yung holiday na yun? Yung June 3? June 28 pa lang ngayon, so it's same month lang. Di ba? Wala pang isang buwan, sira na yung bag. So, ang sabi niya, ipapacheck daw niya sa manufacturer nila kung bakit. Pero, since naka-warranty nga, pwede naman daw ipapalit ko. So, yun, naisip ko since lalabas din naman kami, diretso na kami ng CBD para ipa-warranty yung bag, para ipapalit yung bag. So, ayun lang. Ipa-warranty ko naman yung bag. And, yun, after noon, nag-lunch kami dun sa train station, opposite side the building. Andun kasi yung mga lahat ng mga stores like Chanel, Dior, ano pa ba? Yun, yung Kate Spade, andun din siya. Doon namin nabili yung bag. Tapos merong first floor doon na parang food court siya. Pero ano siya, parang high-end na food court kasi medyo pricey yung mga pagkain. So yun, kumain kami ng Korean food and sobrang busog naman, sulit naman. And then after noon, after namin doon, yun nga, pumunta kami ng katabi kasi noon merong COS na boutique at saka H&M. Tapos meron pang iba, Lululemon, meron din. So, yan sabi ko, nakasale yung H&M, doon na lang ako mag-try bilhan si Trinity ng something na pwede kong maibigay for like farewell token lang. After nun, yun nga, medyo pagod na rin kami kasi naglakad-lakad kami from parking papunta dun sa Queen Street kung saan yung mga stores. Na bros? Nakakapagtaka kasi walang masyadong tao ngayon sa CBD. Usually, kahit anong araw, crowded yung area na yun. Diba? Oh. Weekdays, weekends, kahit anong oras. Nasyampuan natin, walang tao ngayon. I would assume na nasa beach ang mga tao ngayon. Kasi, Matariki Day ang tawag sa holiday today, na June 28. Matariki Day is like a new year for Maoris. So, it signifies looking for a brand new start and saying goodbye to the past. Parang gano'n daw. In-explain sa akin na Trinity kahapon. Kasi kausap ko siya kahapon. So, ayun daw. Nagsa-celebrate daw usually sa beach. Ganyan. Mostly. mga Maoris. Tapos, yung mga iba naman na ibang Kiwis, gaya natin, kunyari, na gusto natin makita kung paano nila i-celebrate yung mga programs, like concerts, mini concerts, ganyan, sayawan. Pero, siguro not much. At saka baka, di mo rin naman ma-appreciate kasi iba siguro yung mga sounds nila dito. Yung music ba? Naalala ko kasi nung Christmas ba yun or New Year? Tapos, may mini concert dito sa may malapit sa amin. Tapos umattend kami. Around, ano yun eh, around 2 o'clock ng afternoon. Nakakaantok sila. Yung mga entertainers nila, yun, yung mga kinakanta nila, parang mga oldies ba na mga kanta. Inassume ko kasi na, syempre Christmas, so dapat yung kakantahin ng mga songs pang Christmas, di ba? Hindi yung mga love songs or yung mga country songs. Hindi ko pa naman bet yung mga country songs. Nakakaantok para sa akin. So, yung parang imbes na ma-entertain ka, yung feeling mo, inantok ka. Outdoor pa naman yung ano na yan, yung gig nila. Buti na lang yung may activity nun yung mga kids, yung air bubbles ba, yung nilalaro ng mga bata. And then sabi ni Trinity yun sa kanila daw, since malaki naman ang family nila, hindi na sila lumalabas pag Matariki Day. So, nagsiset lang sila ng family event, family gathering. Not necessarily on June 28. It's either before or after. Or in the same week daw. Yun, family gathering. Potluck, tapos kakasama sila on both sides, parent side. Tapos, ayun lang, kainan lang. Ganyan. And then, kahapon sa school ni na Chami, nakabili kami ng pagkain na pang Maori. Hindi ko siya tinikman. Pero si Chami tsaka si Butch, kinain nila. So, hindi nila naubos. Combination of meat and vegetable. Yung itsura niya parang bland yung taste. Parang matabang. Although, di ba ano yun eh? Parang grilled. Naka-foil, tapos ginrill na nakabalot sa foil. Hindi ko gusto yung itsura, so hindi ko na siya tinikman. Feeling ko walang lasa. Ano bang lasa ne? Maasim, matamis.
Hindi no, parang maraming spices pero matabang. Matabang.
Maraming spices yun? Sa itsura na yun.
Matabang nga.
Pero si Chami, gutom na gutom kasi. Kinain ni Chami, hindi nga lang naubos, pero kinain mo. May potato, pumpkin. Ano pa bang vegetable dun sa loob? Cauliflower yata. And then yung chicken. Yan. Si Chami, nasulit niya at least. Na nakasampay dito sa balcony kasi feeling ko hindi sila matutuyo. Kasi guys, malamig talaga. Yung parang hindi mo sure kung malamig lang ba yung tela o kumbaga ano siya, talagang nagmo-moist siya dahil pag lumalamig, yun nga. Nagmo-moist din yung mga damit. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko sure. Kasi kahit nasa loob, nyari nandun sa bathroom, nakahang lang dun. Parang ganun din naman, malamig din yung mga damit kahit tuyo na. So, hindi mo siya ma-identify. Tuyo ba talaga o ano? Kaya nga lang, di ba nabanggit ko nun, ayoko talagang dinadryer ng maximum yung mga damit na panggalaan lang kasi masisira yung quality ng tela. Kasi sayang naman, di ba? Kapag dinryer mo kasi ang clothes, ang tendency is mabilis masira yung material. Kasi syempre masusunog yan eh. Heat yun eh. Syempre kung kumbaga bumili ka ng mga panggala na mga damit na, di ba, na may magandang brand tapos masisira lang agad sa dryer, di ba? Parang hindi siya practical. So especially kami, nag-invest talaga kami ng mga damit bago kami, yung mga dinala naming damit dito galing pa ng UAE. Nag-invest talaga kami ng mga magagandang material na damit. So sayang naman kung masisira agad. So ang ginagawa ko is wash lang sila sa washing machine ng 15 minutes tapos dahil nga malamig yung panahon, tinadryer ko pero 30 minutes lang. Tas pag sobrang kapal ng tela, 1 hour. Pero hindi pa rin talaga sila natutuyo kahit na 1 hour mo silang i-dryer. Kung gusto mo talagang as in itutupi mo na lang ng diretso, yung mga 2.5 na dryer dapat. Pero yun nga, mabilis masira yung quality ng yung material ng damit. So, ayun. Pero iniisip ko nga kapag kasi matagal naman na hang yung damit tapos moist, hindi siya natutuyo, tendency mag-iiba yung amoy, magiging parang malansa yung amoy ng damit. So iniisip ko baka siguro i-dryer ko na lang yun. Maganda naman yung panahon, so hanggang ngayon mainit sa labas, may sunshine. Yan. Plano kong i-vlog guys sa next video ko ano yung mga items, furnitures at mga gamit na kailangan mong bilhin dito sa New Zealand as a newcomer, starting a new life here in New Zealand. Ano yung mga bagay, mga items, furnitures, mga gamit na kailangan mong bilhin at saan mo pwedeng bilhin practically to save or to minimize the spend. Saan mo pwedeng bilhin kung mag-start ka ng life dito sa New Zealand. And yung isang vlog na naisip ko rin, it's about process of leasing a house here in New Zealand, how to find rental home here in New Zealand, ano yung proseso, paano ka makakakuha dito ng marirentahan na bahay dito sa New Zealand. So I'm sure marami sa inyo na gusto nyong malaman how, and I'm gonna create that video soon. And since mahaba tong weekends na to, so baka gawin ko na siya this weekend and i-post ko na lang siya by next week. So ayun guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it, and please like and subscribe and share it, and comment down below kung meron kayong mga tanong, kung may gusto kayong sabihin, and please click that notification bell at the bottom so that alam nyo kung may bagong upload ako. And yeah, enjoy life and God bless you all, and see you again soon. Bye!